Hello, my friends. Today I talk about Proface HMI software GP Pro EX. Proface is the brand of Schneider Electric. You can download from GP's website. You just go to the Google, type in GP Pro EX. You can find his website, Proface by Schneider Electric. Okay, then here is version 5 is newest version. Okay, you can download, but you have to register in the Schneider company account. Okay, I download already. Let's start for to install this software. Okay, click. Yeah. Next. Accept. Next. Try your we can use 10 days. We first do this one. Okay. We can try first. We can try. Okay. Next. Okay. English. Okay. Okay. Finish. Let me see. Now start this software, GP Pro EX. Oh, here just 10 days try version. Okay. Oh, we create a new one. We choose standard. Okay, we choose GP6000 silver standard. Okay, next is okay, set. Next is transfer all this LAN. Okay, document. New screen coming. Here is new screen. We can design everything. In here, screen, square, we can do anything. Okay. Later we talk about how to use this software. Okay. Thank you very much.